Hi beautiful, welcome back to my YouTube channel Visual Hairstylist. I hope you all are fine and good and happy. So if you visit my channel for the very first time, I want to tell you that this channel is created for those people who have a craze of hair fashion. If you also have a craze of hair fashion, then you come on a right platform. In this platform, you can get latest hairstyles, different haircuts and bouncy hair dye color ideas for women's and men's both. As well as you can also get hair growth remedies and girls hair accessories ideas. So don't forget to like and share my videos and keep subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more new updates. So guys, basically my goal is to inspire our viewers to believe in self-confidence and to create their own unique style across all the categories of fashion. So here you will find the latest trends in visual hairstylist. So guys, you must watching my videos without skipping and watching till the end. If you love my today content, then do share it with other people as well as your friends and family members. So let's come to the main point. So guys, I'm going to show you a most beautiful and trendy haircut. Yes, I am talking about curly bob haircut. Let's start an other beautiful morning with another elegant ideas. So as you can see in my video, I'm sharing with you several pictures with different ideas of bob haircut. As you know about that, I am starting the series of bob haircut. Bob haircut has many categories. One of them is curly bob haircut. So if you want to watch the other categories of bob haircut, you can visit my channel and watch it. My previous videos. So guys, I am very excited to show you beautiful and stunning ideas which can be your first choice, and I am sure that you will find your choice here in the prettiest and beautiful attractive ideas. So for this sake, you have to keep in touch with this video till end. Within their 3 or 4 minutes you will find a number of latest beautiful hairstyles, and these all hairstyle are waiting for you. If you like this video, please thumbs up for this video and share it with other people as well as your friends and family members. So if you have a super curly hair, it is difficult to select the best haircut for you, then this haircut is best for the people who have curly hairs. So a curly bob is a type of bob haircut for women with naturally curly hair or who had curls to their straight hair. You can make most types of bobs work with curly hair. The key is to give it the right shape for natural curls. The types of bob included inverted, angled, A-line, stacked, graduated and more. As you can know that I am starting the series of bob haircut. So if you want to watch the previous videos, you can visit my channel and watch it. So curly bob are short hairstyle that can be anywhere from ear length to chin length. If they are longer than chin length, we refer to them as a curly bob or long bob. A curly bob can refer to a bob with either heat styled or natural curls. Natural curls can be difficult to cut into a manageable bob. So in this video, I am also sharing with you a stack bob. This is curly stack bob. A stack short curly bob is a textured, voluminous haircut with short layers in the back. If looking for a fashionable look to flaunt your naturally curly texture, you are in the right place. And I am also sharing with you a curly inverted bob. So this angled haircut will take off all the extra weight from the back while longer pieces would be there up in the front. Take your curly bob up a notch by adding some color, like in this hairstyle as shown. The shade of blue sits well with the natural black hair color. So that is all about today content. I hope my today content is very helpful for you. Dear friends, please support me by sharing my videos with your family members and friends. Thank you so much guys for watching my videos and take care of yourself. And if you want to know more ideas, let me know in the comment section. I'm trying to complete your request and bring up more and new updates for you. I hope guys you love my today content, and as well as also you can also love this hair's cut. So please subscribe my channel and press bell icon.